What if you could turn a simple no-knead bread dough into a stunning piece of edible art? Today, we're making incredibly easy pillowy focaccia and decorating it beautifully. Let's get creative! This is the easiest bread you'll ever make, and the results are pure magic. In a large bowl, simply whisk your flour, yeast and salt. This quick step ensures everything is evenly distributed for a perfect rise. Now pour in lukewarm water. The temperature is key to gently waking up the yeast. Mix with a spatula until a shaggy wet focaccia dough forms. It will look sticky, but trust the process. This high hydration creates that signature open, airy crumb. And here's the best part, that's it. No kneading required. Time does all the work. Drizzle generously with good quality olive oil, which adds incredible flavor and keeps the dough moist. Cover it and let it rise in a warm spot until it's doubled and beautifully bubbly. After its first rise, your dough is beautifully bubbly. It's time to prepare our canvas. Start by generously oiling a 9x 13-inch baking tray. This is key for a crispy golden crust. Carefully ease the dough into the tray, trying not to deflate it. We want to preserve all those lovely air pockets you've created. Gently stretch the dough towards the corners. If it resists, let it rest for 10 minutes. Once it fills the tray, pour over more good quality extra virgin olive oil. This creates that signature tender texture. Now for the fun part. Coat your fingertips in oil and press straight down to the bottom of the pan. Create deep dimples all over. These iconic wells will cradle the olive oil, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor and moisture. Now treat your focaccia like a canvas. Create simple, beautiful patterns. Use sprigs of rosemary to look like little trees, halved cherry tomatoes for flowers, or sliced olives for decoration. Finish with a generous sprinkle of flaky sea salt. Bake in a hot oven until it's deeply golden brown and cooked through. The smell will be absolutely incredible. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. And there you have it. A truly show-stopping, delicious and incredibly easy no-knead focaccia. Just look at that golden crust, those signature dimples, and the light airy crumb inside. This isn't just bread, it's a masterpiece you've created right in your own kitchen, with no special equipment or kneading required. It's absolutely perfect for sharing. Serve it warm, dipped in a high-quality olive oil, or use it as the base for an incredible sandwich. It's also a fantastic companion to soups and salads, or the star of an antipasto platter. If you have any leftovers, it stores beautifully in an airtight container for a couple of days. We've shown you a gardenscape, but your dough is a blank canvas. If you're inspired to create your own edible art, hit that like button and subscribe to Another How To Guru for more easy, impressive recipes that will make you feel like a culinary star. Now it's your turn. We're genuinely curious. What would you decorate your focaccia with? Drop your creative ideas in the comments below.